A tracking plan is a roadmap for collecting and analyzing data about your user journeys. It helps you identify the key metrics that you need to track and analyze in Mixpanel. It's a living, breathing, centralized document that is shared across all the different teams involved in implementing and maintaining your Mixpanel project. Once you have a good understanding of your user journeys, let's see how you can start to translate that information into a tracking plan template. Here we have a sample app focusing on the user sign-up journey. What events will you track at each stage of this user sign-up journey? Let's start from the very first landing page. As soon as a user lands on your landing page, you'd want to track that the user has a sign-up started event. Here we have a post-it with the event name that we've got. And then we ask ourselves, what additional information do we need to track on your event as properties? It's also important to understand the entry point, for example, so that you can easily run an analysis on the different entry points that drive user traffic. So here we've listed down that entry point is one of the event properties that we want to include. There are also default properties that are tracked if using the Mixpanel SDKs. So you can click on the link in the article to learn more about those default properties. Now, taking this first step that we've got here, and since we have an idea of what events and properties we need to track, we would then turn to a tracking plan template to start populating the different tabs, including the event name that we want, the trigger point, describing exactly at what point we want this event to be triggered, the breakdown of properties, and sample values of the properties as well. Now that we've gone through this exercise of looking at that first landing page event, which is when the user starts their sign-up process, we continue to build up the list of events based on subsequent steps in the user journey to have a full tracking plan template ready.